Okay, kid, let's learn the color. Okay, these eggs have different colors, and each of them we need to combine the same color. Okay, this is orange egg. How about this one? These are blue eggs. Pink eggs. These are green eggs. Yellow eggs. Okay, let's see what's inside the egg. Oh my, this is grape. What kind of fruit is this? Grapes. Okay, about this one? Strawberry. Corn. Strawberry again. Okay, let's see the other one. What's inside of this egg? Oh, strawberry and orange fruit. How about the orange egg? Let's see what's inside. Banana. Pineapple. Squash. And corn. Okay. Strawberry again. Pineapple. Orange. Squash. Banana. And the last one is nuts. Okay, nuts. See? Okay, these eggs are orange, blue, pink, yellow, and green. Okay, so let's this is yellow. Pineapple is yellow. Banana is yellow. Pineapple is yellow. The grapes is purple. Yellow. Orange. Red. Yellow corn and nuts. Okay, green. So let's put it here. Okay, with the same category. So this is banana, okay. This is grapes. This is corn. This is orange. This is grapes. This is grapes, okay. Strawberry. And nuts, okay. Let's move it here. Okay, yellow banana, purple grapes, red strawberry, green nuts, orange fruit, corn. Okay, this is strawberry. Is it here? No. About here? No. Here? No. About here? Yes. Okay. Squash. So here. How about pineapple? Okay, here is pineapple. Okay, orange. We need to put it here. No. How about here? No. How about here? No. How about here? Yes. They are the same color. Okay. Red strawberry. Is it red? No. How about this one? No. How about here? Is it red? No. But this one, red. Yes, red strawberry. This one is pineapple. So we need to put it here. Here? No. Here? No. But here? They're the same. No. How about here? No. Here? Yes. Yes. They're the same. Pineapple. Yellow pineapple. Squash, yellow squash. So we need to put it here. Now they're the same yellow color, but it's not the same fruit. So, but here, no, it's not yellow. Here, no, it's not yellow. Here, no. How about this one? No. Here, yes. Okay, they are the same squash and the same color. Purple grapes. So we need to find the purple. No. About this one? Purple? No. About this one? Purple? No. Here? Purple? No. About this one? Yes. Purple grapes. They are the same. Corn. Yellow corn. Here? No. Here? No. About this one? No. Here? No. But this one? Yes, they're the same. Corn. And the last one is banana. Okay. Yellow banana. No. They are the same color, but it's not the same fruit. Yellow? No. No. What is one? Yes. So these are fruits. Okay. So this is pineapple. Yellow pineapple. Squash. Yellow squash. Yellow corn. Yellow banana. Purple grapes. Red strawberry. And green nuts. Okay.